Here's a look at today's assignment. The learning targets are I can define absolute value and I can explain why a number's absolute value is different from its signed value. And absolute value is something we're going to talk about more tomorrow. Today we're going to go back to that frog jumping contest. It says Dr. Frog and Bumble Frog were in a jumping competition. Both frogs started at 0 on a number line, but they had trouble jumping in the same direction consistently, which means they were going from the right to the left and back and forth. Dr. Frog hopped 8 feet to the right and then 3 feet to the left. Bumble Frog hopped 9 feet to the left and then 1 foot to the right. So the first thing you have to do is write expressions to represent the jumps for each frog. So you could take a sticky note or a text box, it doesn't matter. And for example, I gotta look at it again. It says Dr. Frog hopped 8 feet to the right and 3 feet to the left. So I would write an expression, 8 to the right is positive, but if we're going to the left, we are going negative down the number line. So it would be 8 minus 3. And that would be my expression for Bumble Frog. Then you also or Dr. Frog. Then you also have to write an expression for Bumble Frog. And then it asks which frog is ahead. So which one is sitting at the larger number on the number line? And how do you know? You can use the number line to help you. You can use a circle tool, a sticky note, or the laser, which is super fun, to help you figure that out. So for example, Dr. Frog jumped from 0 to 8 feet to the right, which would bring me to 8. And then he jumped 3 feet to the left. 1, 2, 3. So he landed on 5. Okay, if you do the same with Bumble Frog, you can use the laser and trace your path.